Good evening, I'm Dwayne Burbick with your Business Day. Shareholders of Scotia Investments Jamaica yesterday approved a scheme that gives a green light to its parent Scotia Group Jamaica to take the company private. The scheme calls for the cancellation of shares held by minority shareholders at a price of $38 each and will result in the delisting of Scotia Investments from the stock exchanges in Jamaica and Trinidad.
I'm able to confirm that the resolution has been passed by the requisite majorities. That is to say, by a majority number of the shareholders who voted in person or by proxy. And that majority is 64.7% of the persons present and 90.96% of the shares voted.
The results of yesterday's meeting will be filed in court. This is expected to take place next month. If the court sanctions the scheme, payment will be made to stockholders within 10 business days after documents are filed with the Office of the Registrar of Companies. The Consumer Affairs Commission CAC is urging consumers, in particular last-minute back-to-school shoppers, to be careful when using their debit and credit cards to make purchases. The CAC in a statement today said it has learned that consumers' cards are either being swiped twice or the incorrect amount being removed when they tender the cards for payment at point-of-sale machines. Based on reports received by the Commission, there are two methods by which this is done. For cards that have dual currency, instead of taking the Jamaican dollar amount, it is a US dollar equivalent that is removed. For example, if the total purchases amounts to 600 Jamaican dollars, 600 US dollars is swiped. In the other instance, consumers' cards are swiped twice. The Commission is warning consumers to retain all their receipts and check purchases online. Foreign exchange trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $129.65. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $103.77. The pound sterling costs $165.72, while the euro sells for $153.55. Oil in New York traded below $50 a barrel amid a dip in demand from refiners in the wake of Tropical Storm Harvey. Cuts by the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, also continue to be threatened by output increases from other producers. OPEC shipments will drop by 80,000 barrels a day to September 16. West Texas Intermediate crude for October delivery climbed $1.27 to settle at $47.23 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. And in today's trading session, the JC index declined by 230 points to close at 255,619. The junior market index advanced by 5 points. That closed at 3,098. Winners included Proven 8.25 preference shares, Jamaica Producers, JMB 7.5% preference shares, Express Catering, C2W Music, and Access Financial Services. Losers were led by Salada Foods, Barita Investments, Consolidated Bakeries, Berger Paints, Main Event Entertainment, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.